Hello Whiskered Warriors, it's Stephen D with Beard Bushido. It's another fine day at the dojo. That means we've got more beard advice and product reviews for you. Today we're talking about hardware, alright? So your brushes, your combs, dryers, those sorts of things, okay? Not the product you put in your beard, but the products that you use to help style your beard. Today we've got a brush and comb set from Hunter Jack Barber Company, and we'll look at that right after the introduction. Welcome back. Today we're taking a look at a two-piece brush set from Hunter Jack Barber Company. You can find them at their website, hunterjacks.com. Hunter Jacks, we've looked at one of their sets before. That was an oil and balm set. So today, again, a two-piece brush set, 100% boar bristle, made of wood. All of their wood products are handmade, and they do work very hard to use sustainable and responsible resources and all natural ingredients. They do partner with the B1G1, or that might be the big one, Global Giving Initiative, so they do work on giving back to the communities. So while Hunter Jack doesn't have a really large catalog as far as scents or different types of products, their products do tend to be what I consider high quality at this point. So they also have a 30-day return policy and 100% money-back guarantee, so that's always a great thing. So let's take a look at what we got today. Okay. Now, what we did order again was a two-piece brush set. If you order it straight from the website, it is going to run you $18.95. Currently, if you order it from Amazon, it's $14.95. And again, I am never against saving a few bucks. So again, if you can get cheaper on Amazon, that's a choice you make. I actually got this as a lightning deal from Amazon for $10.68 for this two brush set. So let's take a look and see what we got. Alright, so this is it. Alright, again, these are travel size brushes. Alright, so these are not full size brushes. They're meant to be carried along with you or thrown in a travel bag. So they are going to be smaller. And as far as the presentation goes, this is not a closed box. It's more of a sleeve. So that's a little bit disappointing. It's attractive enough. Would like to have actually gotten an actual box. Alright, so I think that would have been a little bit nicer than just a sleeve. These kind of rattle a little bit loose. Alright, but it gets them here. Okay, and again, an attractive enough box. Alright, so let's take a look at what we actually get. So, again, we're getting Hunter Jack boar brush. Okay, boar bristle. Very similar to what most of you probably have. Bristles themselves actually are fairly stiff, all right, fairly nice, and this is actually close to a full-size brush here, all right, and actually that does a fairly good job, all right, so that's pretty nice. Nice logo on the top, all right, attractive wood, feels good in the hand, there's a little bit of a contour to the grip on the sides, so again, I would use this brush. I like that. That's very nice. And they also give you this smaller travel brush, okay, more for your mustache maybe. Okay, this one again feels okay with the mustache. I don't know. This would not really take care of my beard itself. I don't think. It's just not stiff enough, not large enough to handle my beard. But again, for a mustache, it's great. I think that's probably why they include both. And again, it's a nice size. You could fit this in your pocket. Again, throw them in a travel bag. Again, and very nice. Nice quality of the wood. Feels good in the hand. Again, maybe not as large as I would like, but it's intended for travel. So taken for what it's worth and for what it's meant to be, a nice product. I really don't have anything negative to say about it. All right. Again, especially for the price, if you can get it for less than the $18.95, that's great. $18.95 might be a little bit more than I would want to pay. I'm happy with the $10.68 that I got for the lightning deal. I think that's a great deal. Even the $14.95 is not bad. So again, this particular brush here is great. This is easily a $10 brush. I can set it next to any other brush I have. Again, this one a little more specialized for what it's worth. I haven't used a lot of these, so I really can't compare it to anything. For the $14.95, I'd say that's a great price if you can get it from Amazon. For the $14.95 or even less, like I did with the special or lightning deal, I don't think you're going to be disappointed. So another nice product from Hunter Jack Barber Company. We may have to take a look at some more of their things later. All right, if you made it to the end of the video, I want to thank you for taking the time to watch. I know there's a lot of other things out there you could do with your time, so I appreciate you giving it to me. I'd love to earn your subscription, so let me know what I can do. To do that, let me know what you'd like to see. Any interaction you have with the video helps the channel, so please give us a thumbs up, thumbs down. I do ask if you give us a thumbs down, let me know why. Let me know what I can do better. Let me know what you'd like to see. I do again, thank you. I hope you have a great day. Stay safe out there, and remember to keep walking the whiskered way.